Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Children, in our today's class, we are going to learn the new chapter Microsoft PowerPoint. What is this Microsoft PowerPoint, children? Have you come across this PowerPoint before? Yes, this Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office. By making use of this PowerPoint, children, we can create our own presentations. Now, where have you seen these presentations, children? Since this lockdown started, the pandemic started, we are taking online classes, isn't it? All these online classes are possible with the help of our presentations itself. We are creating our presentations by making use of Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. Children, what does these presentation contains? These presentations will contain the text. We can add the text, we can add the sounds, we can add the images, we can add word arts, we can give animation effects. Certain kind of animations effects can be given. All this stuff is possible by making use of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now children, let us learn how to create the presentations. Children, to create presentations, first you need to start PowerPoint. So how will we start the PowerPoint? To start PowerPoint, children, first you should go to the start button. Then you have to select all programs. From all programs, you have to select Microsoft Office. Inside Microsoft Office, you have the option for PowerPoint. Or children, if you have created any shortcut and the shortcut is present on the desktop or the taskbar, you can just click on to the Microsoft icon, PowerPoint icon, and it will get started. Okay. Once you open the Microsoft PowerPoint window, children, you will get this kind of window. So what are the different components of this Microsoft PowerPoint window? Children, the different components of Microsoft PowerPoint window are, first you have the title bar. So title bar, what does the title bar contains? The title bar will contain the title of your document, title of your presentation. On the title bar, you have certain buttons like close button, restore button, minimize button. So all these are the different buttons present on the title bar. Next you have the tabs. What are tabs, children? This file, home, design, animation, slideshow, all these are the different tabs. By making use of these tabs, children, we can create very effective presentations. Then you have the office button. Children, usually the office button will be present at the leftmost top corner. Since I am using the new version of the Microsoft Office, I don't have the office button. You can see in this image, children, we have the office button here at the top corner. Left corner, we will have the office button. Then you have the quick access toolbar. What is this quick access toolbar, children? So the bar which is present here, this button, we call this as the quick access toolbar. Once you click here, you will get the drop down menu, and in the drop down menu you have access to the most frequently used tools like new, open, then undo, redo. These are the most frequently and most oftenly used menu options. So you will have this in the quick access toolbar. You have a ribbon. What does this ribbon, children? This is the ribbon. This gray color part, we call it as the ribbon. Then you have the status bar. Status bar will be present at the bottom of your window, children. The status bar will contains how many slides are there and you are currently under which is slide. All these options are present in the status bar. Next, let us learn how to create our presentation. Children, you have to first create a blank presentation. To create the blank presentation, you have to click on to the office button and you have to choose the new option. After choosing the new option, children, you have to select the blank presentation. Okay, I will show you. First step, we have to go to the office button. Since I don't have the office button, I'll click on to this save button only. Here we have the new option. Select the new option and we have to choose blank presentation. We will get the blank presentation here. As you can see, I have created the new blank presentation. Children, the blank presentation will have only one slide in it. Next, you should learn how to create the new slide, how to add the new slide, and how to change the slide layout, and what are this layout, how to add the text to the slide. Children, to add a slide, you have to add the slide, you have to go to the new slide option here. You have the new slide option here, or you click here, you will get the different forms of slide. You have to choose any one slide that you have to add. You can see the slide has been added in my presentation. The new slide has been added in my presentation. How will we add the slide? On the home tab, you should go to the new slide option, or you have to go to the layout option and you can change the layout. Children, new slide you will select. To change the layout, go to the layout option and choose the type of layout which you want for your presentation. Okay. Any type of layout which you want for your presentation, you can choose. Next, children, how will you add the text? How will we add the text, children? To add the text, you have to see in this presentation, you have to click. You can see the headings now. Click to add title. Click here. I'll just change the layout. How will I change the layout? On the home tab, we have the layout option. I'll choose this as my layout of the slide. Okay. Now, what is the to add the text? Just select this box and you can add text. Okay, you can add the text, children. After adding the text, suppose you want to format this text, you can do formatting. Select the text and change the color, like whichever color is you want, you can give. If you want to change the handwriting form, you can change it. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease the font size, you can increase or decrease the font size, children. So these are the steps to add the new slide, add the text, and add changing the slide layout. Children, I hope you all have understood these concepts. In our next class, we will learn how to add the clip arts, how to change the background. All these things we will be learning in our next class, children. Till that, do practice what we have learned in today's class and take care of yourself. Thank you, children. Bye.